video of you driving. RPM. You actually are there. You really are. Just a word. Just a word. It's very important.
Celebrating over 20 years of sponsorship with the Pebble Beach Concours, Art Center College of Design reminds us that behind every beautiful car is an innovative and talented designer focusing on solving tomorrow's design challenges.
Fabulous exhaust. What a fabulous race car. David, congratulations and thank you for bringing your nut. So, slightly toning down, calming down, we have the Fever Pre-War Trophy. And this year it goes to the 1928 Aston Martin sports model, the Feltham Flyer. Bertelli built two-seater, owned by Paul and Deirdre Lee of Studio City in California. A very rare and one of the most original Aston Martins in the world that you will see. The Fever Pre-War Trophy goes to the best preserved pre-war car as determined by a special committee, guided by the Fédération Internationale des Véhicules Anciens, the Fever regulations, and is sponsored by the Haggerty Drivers Foundation, presented by McKeel Haggerty, the CEO of Haggerty, and Malcolm Grubb, the VP of Events and Chairman of Events Commission of Fever. McKeel, thank you so much for sponsoring this. It's a great award and something that we are very proud to give to great preserved cars.